So I just want to explain a little bit about energy balance. Probably you've all heard about energy balance and you all kind of understand energy balance, but I just want to explain it very briefly, just in case some of you are a little bit confused with this. So energy balance, also known as calories in and calories out, is the most accepted way of explaining how our bodies maintain our weight. This is how we maintain our body weight. So energy balance is the relationship between the calories or the energy that we consume through food and drinks and the amount of calories that we expend through physical activity and our bodily processes. So the energy that comes in to the energy that comes out. So calories in is the energy from foods and drinks, and the calories out is the energy expenditure through bodily functions, physical activity, thermic effect of foods, among others. So if we consume the same amount of calories that we burn, we will maintain our weight. If we consume more calories than the amount of calories that we burn, we will gain weight because those calories are going to stay in our bodies. It will stay in our fat deposits, making us accumulate more fat and gain more weight. And if we eat less calories than the amount of calories that we expend or that we burn, we will likely lose weight because we're going to start using our own body reserves. So based on this, the energy balance, that most people understand this, they say obesity is very simple, right? If you just eat less and exercise more, you will lose weight. It's not that complicated. Just eat less and exercise more. Why is people with obesity so difficult to change? You just need to eat less and exercise more, and that's the only strategy to eliminate obesity from the world, basically. And even though that might be true, if someone eats less calories and burns more calories, they will lose weight. The problem is that the amount of variables that will affect the calories in and the amount of variables that will affect those calories out is huge. There's many variables that will affect these calories in and calories out. And that's the part that people tend to forget about. Calories in and calories out is real, but the variables that affect those calories in and calories out is very, very extensive, very complex, many factors. If I wanted to explain all of them, I would be here for weeks, because it's a very, very complex interplay between physiological factors, environmental factors. Just to illustrate the complexity of this,